Everything starts with raw materials. Here we see leather, fabric, rubber, foam, and strong threads. Now the cutting process begins. Powerful machines cut the lead fabric into exact shapes. Now it's time to prepare the sole. The sole is made from rubber or synthetic materials. It is shaped using heat and pressure machines. The shoe is now almost carefully. Each shoe is shaped to look perfect and balanced.
Every shoe goes through a quality check. Workers inspect stitching, comfort, and finishing.
The finished shoes are placed neatly in rows. They are now ready to be packed and shipped.